Hello everyone, my name is Dom, and today I want to give you my testimonial regarding the Organifi Green Juice. Well, what's usually the first thing that happens when a product is really good? One of the first things that happens is that product is counterfeit. It begins to be released on other platforms, parallel to the official website. That's why I'm here to tell you that this Organifi Green Juice is only sold on the official website. So, be careful with scams, with counterfeits, so that you protect your money and protect your health too. Why do I say this? Because in addition to my testimony, I tried to study other people who used this product, and there are two versions. There are two types of people. One, that tells me that everything is a farce, that this is a lie because they spent money and there was no result, it didn't help anything, and so on. There's also the person who says, wow, you think it's wonderful, that you like it, that you want to use it again, that it's perfect and worth it. Obviously the person, probably the person who is complaining, who is questioning, bought something fraudulent, bought some crap, and obviously it won't work. Now, those who had results bought it on a website of origin. What is the advantage of buying from the official website? One, as I already said, you will avoid having financial losses, you will avoid having adverse effects, and above all, on the official website, you have 4 advantages that are great. You have bonus, you have discount, you have support, and you have guarantee. So, if you buy the product and you don't like it, whatever the reason, or even if you think it's not for you, you can ask for a refund, okay? So, to help you and prevent you from falling into scams or fakes, I left the official website below in the description of this video, to which you will be directed. There you can check out all the information regarding Organifi Green Juice, see testimonials from other people who have used the product, and you can also check the warranty issue as I told you. It has staff support and contact. So, I hope you enjoyed this video, that it may have been informative to help you, so that you don't fall for any type of counterfeiting, and always buy from the official website of the product.